Welcome to Fun in the Sun Outdoor Series. This is from April through August. And this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Barbie Daily Rule Life in the Valley, Dream with Caroline, and myself. And if there's any other participants, they'll be listed in the description box. Well, here I'm on my back porch table, and I'm going to share with you this solar pheasant that my husband got for me from True Value. I will try to come back this evening to give you a nighttime view because it is beautifully lit up. And here I have some potted flowers, a couple of birds, a little beehive, and of course, here is my kitty cat, Amber. And here's my patio table, which is a thrifted item from Facebook Marketplace. Now over here, I have a shoe stand that I'm using to store my flip-flops, and I've added some plants to it. So you can repurpose a shoe stand for your plants. It worked out perfectly. A little table there with a lamp. And it is a rainy day here, so I have got my umbrella. It's been raining for the last 24 hours. So I don't think there's going to be much sun today. And now here is a Ohio State round piece that we're going to add to some cement that we're going to be pouring. And I'll show you that in a minute. And here is my little bistro table, and I have some more potted plants. And we already started digging out for the cement to be poured, and there's Mia. She's actually drinking water from a little puddle there. Ooh, I don't know how good that is. Ooh. I'm showing you how it's already been framed off. So the cement is going to be joining the patio cement and the hot tub cement together to give us a large, entertaining area. And here is my other garden. So I'll share that with you as well. So it's going to go out 11 feet and connect with the existing cement slab. So here is a recent flower bed that I put together. And all those stepping stones were what was the path that led to the hot tub. I've just moved them to this garden. I may repurpose those somewhere else, but they're just here for now. There's my fairy and some beautiful flowers in the garden. Like I mentioned, it has been raining here for almost 24 hours, but we live in Alabama near the Georgia border and have been in a drought for almost a month. So the rain was very much needed. It is just unfortunate that we were planning on pouring the cement today, but it looks like it's going to be postponed. Here's my wheelbarrow with some extra stones that I had to pull up so we could make room for the cement. So I'll keep you updated on the progress of our extended patio. But doesn't the flower bed look beautiful? Oh, and there's Mia again. She follows me everywhere. Don't you, girl? Now, once the cement truck does come, we're going to have to keep our cats indoors so they don't run across the wet cement. We'll figure that out later. Okay, now I've taken you to the other side where I have another little fairy garden with some hostas. A barrel here with another little fairy on it. In my clay pot. And this garden has been in the ground for quite a few years. Here's the Ohio State weather vane, and I just hung my potted plants from it for now. So this one's been well established. Now this is a series that's going to run through August. Anyone is welcome to join. So if you would like to participate, just let Anna or myself know, and we would be happy to add you to the playlist. Now, even the hot tub we've had for about 7 years, and me and my husband use it almost every night. We love it. So here's a view of my backyard, and here is Mia again. Now I have some clematis growing at the side of the house, so I took you over here so you could have a good look at that. I also have some hydrangeas here that are just growing right now. I don't even see any buds on them, but the clematis is beautiful. Okay, this is the next day, and the cement has been poured, and my husband added the OSU poker chip to the cement before it's completely dried. So there we go. All right, I want to thank you all for watching. Now, if you would go and check out the playlist and leave everyone a comment and a like. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.